Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So today I'm coming to you with a quick and easy tutorial on how I put my hair into a high puff. If you want to see how I achieve this style, please continue watching. So I'm going to be using this 3-in-1 magic detangler and I'm going to spray it all over my hair. If you have water, you can always also use water, but I just wanted to use this one because it helps me fluff out my hair very nicely. Now I'll be using my brush just to comb back all the hair around the perimeters of my forehead, just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of my curl enhancing smoothie and I'm going to apply it on the area of my hair just to give me a slick look. Then I'm going to grab a little more of my curl enhancing smoothie and then apply it all over my head, just at the tip of my hair. And then what else I would like to do when I'm doing this style is to just go ahead and massage my head. And you can go ahead and grab your brush just to even it out and also make it look really nice. So go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take my thread. This is my thread. If you have any elastic band, you can use that, but I currently don't have that, so I'm going to use this thread. And then I'm going to fluff out my hair just to make sure that the thread is aligned on the perimeters of my head. And then I'm just going to make a cross on my thread and then just push it to the size of the puff that I want. Just make sure that you be gentle on your hair when you're doing this style. So just go in and continue to fluff out your hair. Just make sure that it's neat and that it's the kind of puff that you want to have. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Just making sure that my hair is nicely put and neatly done. You can also use the comb just to help you fluff it out and make sure that the band is even. So I'm trying to see that my hair is even. So you can do that, just use your comb. So you can also go ahead and use your brush just to make sure that your hair, you slick down your hair. My hair is really being stubborn right now, so I'm just going to go back with my brush and comb that out. So this is pretty much it. This is how my hair looks like when it's slicked down in this high puff. I think I've done a good job. So we're going to go ahead and grab our brush, and I'm using Care for my baby hairs. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay those edges. I honestly don't think that this is a good gel for me, so but yet again I tried. So let's go ahead and lay those edges. So like I told you that this gel is not really good at laying these baby hairs. I really tried to put a lot of it to be able to give me some, you know, some baby hairs, but I don't really think it's a good gel. So, but let's just try. Let's continue laying them. So we're gonna go in and lay down those baby hairs. I don't have a satin scarf, but if you have one, you can use that one. I just had this cloth, so I just tied it up so that it can help me to lay down my edges. So you can use whichever you have. So we're gonna wait for about 2 to 3 minutes, and as we wait for these minutes to end, I'm gonna be on my phone singing, I guess. So the 2 minutes are over. Now we're just gonna take down our clothes, and then I don't really think this gel really worked really well on my baby hairs, but well, we tried. Yeah, so if you have any recommendation of a gel that I can use to lay my edges down and it's really nice and it stays on and makes my hair look sleek, please comment down below and let me know which product I can use and what brand, and I would definitely try that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my reading glasses just to give me a look. So this is basically my go-to style whenever I'm going to work. I wear my hair like this and also put on my glasses. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.